This was the thrust bearing that failed on that Ford, on that 6.4. That's why I needed a motor replacement. The motor was popular. All right, look at that. Just like that, Dylan has finished up this motor. Well, almost. But he's going to start it up here real soon. What's up, guys? So, unfortunately, when we were filming Dylan, we had mic issues. So, we were unable to hear anything he was saying. But now he is too busy on another vehicle for us to redo it. So, I'm just going to give you guys an overview and let you guys hear the startup. So that's it right there. She's good to go. She's running. Coolant's full. Oil's full. Good fuel pressure. Dylan has done it again. Full motor with no problems. We're good to go.